Hi everyone, here's Abdul and hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have a very cool video. I think it's cool to be honest. I don't know if you think it's cool or not, but you will see after you watch the video. I sent to watch to my friend Mario. Shout out to Mario from BrickTOP channel. Link in the description. Subscribe to him. Check his music, knives content, and watch content out. And I sent him a watch to review, and he was kind enough to send me even two watches now to review and make a comparison with some other watches. So I didn't want to get you sleeping now, so I will start by opening the package from both sides. By the way, if you're wondering, is this a new knife? Actually, it's a new knife. It's a Cricket. This is a lanyard I had. I actually had it in Egypt and got it back when I was on vacation. Next time I will take another knife with me to leave it there for the next couple of years. I don't want to damage the boxes, so I'm just trying as much as possible to be delicate, which is not something I can say I'm good at. By the way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Just hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button. If you're interested, hit the bell button as well. It does help the channel grows it up. So that's the watch that he sent back, the Arkai watch. Put it to the side, and he sent this package with it. So let's see what's inside. And first one, sorry about that, is the Citizen Echo Drive. I love this watch. So cool, and with this NATO buckle, the Zulu buckle, the Zulu strap, sorry. It's pretty cool, by the way. I'm wearing the G-Shock. Put it away. Oh, you saw the other one. I'll close it out until I show you this one. By the way, I have a 17 centimeter, around 17 centimeter now, wrist. So around 6.7 inches. As you can see on my wrist, I think I have to close these Zulu knots. I always didn't like the Zulu knots, but I actually am starting to like them more and more lately. It does work. Nice bezel action. Looks pretty cool. Under the bone. Over the bone. Well, I don't understand why people wear it over the bone, but I guess that was the same thing would be saying someone who wears it over the bone about people who wear it under the bone. So pretty cool. Thank you, Mario, so much. Really, really like it. I'll try it out, and the good thing is I don't need to use the time grapher because it's an Echo Drive. But I will make a separate video about this watch because it's one of the most interesting watches that Citizen makes, and one of the most iconic ones from the line. And I'll show you also why before I go to the other watch. Here you go. It's a very strong room, very, very strong room. Very cool watch. Let me get the caliper so I can tell you. Sorry about that. So if we see diameter 44, lug to lug, it's 50.5, let's say, and thickness is around 11.5. So that's about the Citizen EcoMaster Diver. Whoa, that's the Seiko Chronograph. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Definitely one of these cool Seiko watches. Let's see on my wrist. Yeah, a bit large for my wrist, let's say. But still, actually, I could quite get away with it. You have the chronograph buttons, very responsive, and you have it. The diameter is 45 millimeters. Lug to lug is around 55, which is quite big, and thickness around 12. 12 is quite large for a quartz chronograph that doesn't have a an echo drive movement or a solder movement. That's too thick, but it's really cool, and I really like the strap also from Seiko. It's a calf strap from Seiko, looks quite nice. Thanks, Mari, for including this one as well. It's pretty cool. I think I have a watch or two that I can compare these two with or against, to be honest. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Tell me what you think about the blue background. I just used a new background. I thought it's just a little bit different than the brown background that I have it all the time, the leather one. So I thought to change it up a little bit. Like I said, I got a couple of comments about the new camera, so that's pretty cool. Thank you so much. Hopefully, quality will only get better from here with the new equipment and new camera. Maybe even I'll get a new apartment in the next couple of months, so we'll have new lighting and a bigger room for making videos as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, like the video, of course, comment what do you think about these watches, and do you like the idea about sending a watch to a friend of yours? Maybe we could start some kind of watch trend between watch collectors where we send watches between ourselves. Maybe we can start with affordable or inexpensive watches, so if anything happens on the way, delivery, DHL, whatever, we don't feel bad about it, and we might have something on our hand here that all of us watch enthusiasts could benefit from, could be a part of. And yeah, if you like this idea, please leave in the comments if you think it will work, or if not, also leave in the comments why do you think it won't work. And if you will also do something like this with your friends, write it out in the comments to motivate other people to do it as well. So don't want to make it longer on everyone, but thanks again for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everyone.